Ever wondered how vital a healthy breakfast is for people with type 2 diabetes? Well, let's delve into that. A balanced, nutrient-rich breakfast is not just a great way to start the day, but it's especially crucial for individuals managing type 2 diabetes. You see, when we sleep, our bodies are in a fasting state. Blood sugar levels can drop overnight, and skipping breakfast can lead to even lower levels, causing hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. This is why breakfast is often deemed as the most important meal of the day, particularly for those with diabetes. By kickstarting your day with a healthy breakfast, you're essentially firing up your metabolism. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents them from spiking or dropping drastically throughout the day. Imagine your body as an engine and breakfast as the fuel. Without fuel, the engine won't run smoothly, but the question remains, what constitutes a healthy breakfast for a person with type 2 diabetes? Well, a meal that is high in fiber, low in saturated fat, and packed with lean protein is a good start. These elements work together to slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing abrupt increases in blood glucose levels. And it's not just about the what, the how much is equally important. Portion control is key in managing blood sugar levels. Going overboard even with healthy foods can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for worsening diabetes control. Moreover, consistency in meal timings can also help in better diabetes management. Regular meal timings help your body regulate blood sugar levels and keep your metabolism going strong. Remember, managing type 2 diabetes is not just about taking prescribed medications. It involves a holistic approach, with diet playing a pivotal role. So, the next time you think about skipping breakfast, remember, your body needs that fuel to keep going. A healthy breakfast is truly the cornerstone of effective diabetes management. So let's explore some breakfast ideas that are not just healthy, but also delicious and satisfying. Because who said managing diabetes can't be tasty? Stay tuned as we delve into some scrumptious Middle Eastern breakfast recipes perfect for those managing type 2 diabetes. Now let's dive into some delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes from the Middle East. Middle Eastern cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors and textures, with a rich diversity that reflects the region's vibrant history and culture. From the fragrant spices of Lebanon to the hearty grains of Egypt, this cuisine encompasses a wide array of dishes that can delight any palate. What makes Middle Eastern cuisine even more appealing is that many traditional dishes are naturally healthy, incorporating ingredients like whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. With a few simple tweaks, these dishes can easily be adapted to cater to a diabetic diet without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. For instance, replacing refined grains with whole grains, using healthy fats like olive oil, and incorporating plenty of fiber-rich vegetables and legumes can make these recipes both delicious and diabetic-friendly. So, whether you're managing diabetes or simply looking for healthier breakfast options, Middle Eastern cuisine has a lot to offer. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility and health benefits of Middle Eastern cuisine. Number 1. Shakshuka. The first recipe on our list is shakshuka, a classic Middle Eastern breakfast dish. This vibrant and flavorful dish is a medley of tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and eggs. Each of these ingredients is not just a flavor bomb, but also a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for managing diabetes. Let's start by sautéing finely chopped onions in olive oil until they are translucent. Onions are a good source of prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. Next, we add in some chopped bell peppers. These peppers are not just about adding color and crunch. They are low in calories and rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which play a vital role in maintaining our overall health. Once the bell peppers are slightly softened, it's time to introduce the star of the show, tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked in research to a lower risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also low in carbs, making them a perfect ingredient for those managing their blood sugar levels. Now let's add some spice to our shakshuka. We stir in cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. These spices not only add a depth of flavor, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. When the mixture is well combined and simmering, we gently crack the eggs into the tomato pepper base. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. We let the eggs poach until they are cooked to your liking. And there you have it, a beautiful pan of shakshuka ready to be served. This hearty dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for managing diabetes. Number 2, quinoa tabbouleh. Next up is quinoa tabbouleh. a refreshing and diabetic-friendly twist on the traditional tabbouleh. Bursting with flavors and packed with nutrients, this dish is an excellent choice for a wholesome breakfast. Quinoa tabbouleh is simple to make. Start off by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. Then, cook it in 2 cups of water or broth until it's fluffy. While the quinoa is cooking, you can chop your fresh herbs and veggies. We're talking about a big bunch of fresh parsley, a handful of mint, a couple of ripe tomatoes, and a crisp cucumber. Remember, the finer you chop, the better the flavors meld together. Once your quinoa is cooked and cooled, toss it with your chopped ingredients. Now, it's time for the dressing. For that, you'll need the juice of 1 or 2 lemons, a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all together and let it sit for a bit to let the flavors marry. But what makes quinoa tabbouleh so good for people with diabetes? Well, quinoa is a super grain. It's high in protein and fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels. It's also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, boosting your overall health. Parsley, the star ingredient in tabbouleh, is more than just a garnish. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. The tomatoes and cucumbers add a juicy crunch and are loaded with vitamins A and C. Finally, the lemony dressing not only adds a zesty punch but also aids in digestion and adds a dose of vitamin C. The olive oil is a healthy fat that's good for heart health, so there you have it, quinoa tabbouleh. It's more than just a tasty breakfast dish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can help manage diabetes while tantalizing your taste buds. Quinoa tabbouleh is a perfect blend of taste and health, making it a fantastic breakfast option for people with diabetes. Number 3. Hummus with whole grain pita. Our third recipe is the ever-popular hummus served with whole grain pita. This is a classic Middle Eastern dish that is not just delightful to the palate, but also packed with nutritional benefits that are especially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. Let's start with homemade hummus. It's a delightful blend of chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a great source of fiber and protein, both of which help control blood sugar levels. Tahini, which is essentially a sesame seed paste, is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. The lemon juice gives it a tangy kick, and the garlic adds another layer of flavor, while also providing health benefits like improving heart health. To prepare the hummus, you simply need to blend these ingredients together until you achieve a creamy consistency. You can adjust the flavors according to your preference, adding more lemon juice or garlic as desired. Now let's talk about our accompaniment, the whole grain pita. Whole grains are a better choice for diabetics because they have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains. This means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels. Whole grains are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. To serve, simply cut the whole grain pita into wedges and serve it alongside the hummus. You can enjoy this as a hearty breakfast or a satisfying snack. It's a versatile dish that you can enjoy at any time of the day. Hummus and whole grain pita. A classic combo that's not just delicious but also diabetes friendly. This dish is a testament to the fact that managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to compromise on flavor. In fact, it opens up a world of hearty and healthful culinary delights just waiting to be explored and enjoyed. Number 4. Fal mudamas. Last but not least, we have fal mudamas, a hearty fava bean stew. Hailing from the Middle East, this dish is as satisfying as it is nutritious. Let's dive right in and see how this delectable stew is prepared. First, we start with fava beans, the star of this dish. Fava beans, also known as broad beans, are a potent source of dietary fiber, which aids in blood sugar control, making them a great choice for individuals with type 2 diabetes. They are also rich in protein and B vitamins, which help in energy production. To make fal mudamas, we begin by soaking the fava beans overnight. The next morning, we drain them and simmer them until they are tender. We then mash the beans lightly, keeping some texture. While the beans are cooking, we prepare the dressing. Traditionally, this involves a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is known for its heart-healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic not only adds a punch of flavor but also carries benefits for blood glucose levels. We then mix the dressing into the cooked and mashed beans, adding a splash of water if needed to reach the desired consistency. The final touch is a generous sprinkle of chopped parsley, a herb that not only adds color and freshness but also boasts its own health benefits, including high levels of antioxidants and vitamins. Now let's talk about serving fal mudamas. It can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature, and it's traditionally scooped up with whole grain pita bread. Whole grains are another smart choice for those with diabetes due to their high fiber content and lower glycemic index. In summary, fal mudamas is a dish that is brimming with flavors and health benefits. It's a meal that will keep you satiated, and its ingredients work together to help manage blood sugar levels. Fal mudamas is a satisfying and nutrient-dense dish that's perfect for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Now that we've explored these fantastic recipes, let's recap what we've learned today. We dove into the importance of a healthy breakfast for managing type 2 diabetes. Eating a balanced, nutritious breakfast can help maintain blood sugar levels, making it a vital part of daily diabetes management. We then took a culinary journey to the Middle East and discovered 4 incredible breakfast recipes that are not only delicious but also good for people with type 2 diabetes. The first was shakshuka, a vibrant dish of poached eggs in a tomato sauce, rich in protein and low in carbohydrates. Our second recipe was quinoa tabbouleh. This refreshing herby salad swaps traditional bulgur wheat for quinoa, a superfood known for its high protein content and low glycemic index, making it a great choice for people with diabetes. Next up was hummus served with whole grain pita. This creamy spread made from chickpeas is high in fiber and protein, helping to slow digestion and prevent spikes in blood sugar. Paired with whole grain pita, it's a filling, satisfying breakfast. Lastly, we explored fal mudamas, a hearty fava bean stew that's a staple in many Middle Eastern diets. High in fiber and protein, this dish can help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Remember, enjoying a diverse, balanced diet is key to managing diabetes. So why not start your day with these delicious Middle Eastern breakfasts? For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.